Hello, it's Dan. Hey, so this is part 2 of the video build series for the Dead Space helmet, and I have put all the greeblies on it, all the attachments. We have in the back parts that attach with magnets, Velcro for making it fit on people's fat heads like mine. The Velcro closes, the magnets close. And we are going to go over how I put all this stuff on there. I'm just going to cut it out and show you me gluing up some stuff. It's going to be really fun. After this, we're going to do painting and lighting and weathering and all that. So look forward to those videos later. And now we're going to get on to making this part. Okay, so we have some pieces of the pattern. They all say right. That's just when you're staring at it, so it's actually the left of the helmet. That's just so I can visually see what I'm doing. All right, 5 millimeters for most of them. We got some are 2. This one's 5 millimeters plus 3 millimeters. Yeah, so let's just cut out some of this stuff. Oh yeah, this is 1, 2, 3 pieces. So this is 2 millimeters right there. This is 5 and 5. So this is just glued on top, and this is on the side. Yeah, fun. Okay, so I have all the pieces laid out for the front and sides. I don't have the back pieces cut out yet because those are going to be attached in a different way. I have all these mirrored, so the ones with paper on them are going on the left side or the right side when you're holding the helmet, and all the ones are going on the opposite side. So I'm going to start attaching those and gluing them on and making everything look good. There's a recess in the top of the helmet that goes around sort of like a mohawk, and it's shaped about like this. I initially was going to cut out an overlay of foam that goes like a 2 millimeter sheet of foam that covers all the stuff that's not the inlay, so that way this could be like a fake recess. But thinking about it now, with how much I would have to do, I would have to cut out pretty much the entire helmet again out of 2 millimeter foam and glue it on. Instead, I'm going to cut this out from the helmet itself, push it down a little, or cut out a thinner sheet of foam and glue it back into place so it's an actual recess. So I'm going to start doing that, start marking this up. Let's get into that. Alright, so I have these lines traced out. I'm going to cut that shape out, trace it onto thinner foam, and glue it back into place. So it's going to be less of a seam in there. Alright, just to make this a little easier on myself, I'm not going to film it because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so I have it cut out. It's holding its shape relatively well. I'm going to lay this onto a 3 millimeter sheet of foam, trace it out, glue it into the helmet, and that should be that for that. Then I'm going to start gluing on all these other pieces, and yeah. Yep, put the glue on this wrong side, so it's not gonna work. Hey, it's coming together, huh? Going from paper to foam and having 3 dimensions instead of 2. I changed the shape of this so it better fits this curve and fits better onto this. So, oh yeah, so it lines up with that, lines up with that line, lines up with that line. That'll be all better. I'll trace that onto this and glue it on. Looks gluing 2 2mm things to the edges. "15 minutes later." Alright, so I'm going to attach this on the inside. I'm going to attach it on this side and put Velcro on that side, make it so I can close it. Alright, I'm not going to show that because it's going to be hard to record. Just imagine I'm doing the exact same thing. Okay, so here's the important part. This square is just to make it match the same height. But this one over here, oh, now that rod's it's going to have a magnet right dead in the center. Now I can attach something with a magnet right there. Okay, so I'm going to put contact cement on this, on these pieces, and put a magnet that goes between them right there. Okay, just pretend like you saw me gluing that because it's going to be just as boring. Hey, thanks again for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a like and leave a comment below about this helmet or about anything else you want to see me make. I make a lot of stuff out of wood. I make a lot of stuff out of foam, obviously. I use plastics with 3D printing. I can go into metal at some point. And with this being done, I'm going to be going into painting. So that's the next video. You can probably check out some of my other videos over here, or you can subscribe. Subscribing really helps. We will see you next time with a great build, and it's probably going to be the painting.